If you're searching for fashion in the Faroe Islands, look no further than Klædnabúðin. Founded by Brynja Tröndesen in 1984, Klædnabúðin offers everything a woman needs. From stylish jackets to elegant tops, the latest styles from Denmark line the walls of the only clothing store on the island of Sandoy. Situated in the quaint town of Skálavík, Klædnabúðin's warm and friendly staff makes each visit a memorable one. Drop by the store weekdays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Fridays until 6 p.m., and Saturdays until 2 p.m. to discover something special. Klædnabúðin, where seclusion meets style.
Right here.